Hey guys, so today I've got Medusas Makeup's October box, their spooky Halloween box. I forgot what words they used for this last month, but they said it was going to be kind of like dark and mysterious or whatever. So let's open it and see what's in it. I haven't opened this yet for anyone who's wondering, because I know you all hate it when I open the boxes. So here you go. It is sellotaped shut. So let's see what's in here. So, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is what I am seeing right now. There's lots of little spider confettis and stuff. It's very cute. This is our little kind of print. You could definitely use that as a picture, like in a frame or something. It does have some sequins on it, but it's cute. So, says cruelty free and vegan October box. There is something in here that is exclusive to this box apparently that you can't buy normally, and it has a $42 value. So for anyone who hasn't had this before or hasn't seen me open this before, to America it's about $16 if I'm remembering correctly, and to the UK it's about $26, which works out about £20. So even to England it's still pretty cheap. For the stuff that you get in here sometimes I think £20 is worth it. So obviously let me know what you think, if you think it is or not, but I'm going to show you what is inside. So it has very cute little spider decorations in here, like these little plastic spiders. I think these are just silly little like rings and stuff, but we have an orange one and a black one. I kind of like the black one though. Let's put the black one on. He's so cute. Maybe I need a new spider ring. Okay, so there is also little pumpkins and stuff in here. Very cute decorations. I'm definitely going to keep some of this because there's like loads in here. Okay, so the first item is the exclusive subscriber item, vitamin C facial toner. It says citrus lemon, vegan, cruelty free, paraben free. Doesn't have any details on it. It doesn't say what to do with it or anything, but obviously with it being a toner, usually you would kind of take your makeup off and then spray this on your face, wipe it off, kind of get rid of that excess last bit of makeup sort of thing. So I'm going to just spray this on my hand to see what it smells like. It definitely smells lemony, really fresh, and the mist on this was really nice actually. It came out in a real like puff of mist, which is always nice. Yeah, so I'll give it a try, why not? Here's our first item. Next we have this, which is covered in little sequins, and this is their Witch Lash. So this is like a little mini travel size of their Witch Lash mascara. As far as I'm aware, it is just a black one this time. Last time we got like a really bright blue one, and honestly I didn't wear that one. So yeah, this one is just a black one. Little mini mascara. That is adorable. That'd be really good for a little bottom lash mascara actually, with it being such a tiny little brush. So that is super cute. I'll do a little, well, I mean, can you really swatch mascara? I don't know, but there you go. Then next we have, I'll do this eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like. It's called Glam Rock eyeshadow in the colour Rocket, and it looks like a shimmery, what's the word, where they kind of change colours a little bit. If I can ever get it out of the box. A very unusual colour. Like I said, it's kind of one of those that sort of changes colours with the light a little. It has a goldy, greeny, bluey kind of colour to it. Really hard to explain. Let's do a swatch and see what it comes out as. It comes out a lot darker than I expected actually. On my finger it kind of looks a little grey, like a grey with gold sparkles. Like I said, very weird colour, definitely not one that I already have. I'll do a double swatch because it didn't come off very well on my hand, but there we go. So next to the black, I guess you can kind of tell what colour it is a little more. It definitely is sort of a greeny grey with a gold shimmer in it, I would say. but definitely a really nice colour though. So that is Rocket eyeshadow. And then last but not least, we have a lipstick. So this is called Chica. Doesn't say what colour it is or anything, so we will just have to have a see. This is upside down. This is what the packaging looks like. Maybe that is the colour Chica, like a black colour. Let's see. Oh, maybe. I can't really tell what colour that... Oh, okay. In person, this looks black, but I can see on my camera, obviously, that doesn't look black. It looks like a browny purple kind of colour. Definitely doesn't look like that in real life. But let's put a little swatch on my hand and see what it comes out as. Definitely purple. It's a really nice purple actually, like a super dark purple. That's really cool. So yeah, they definitely didn't disappoint with their like grungy Halloween-y makeup kind of theme. All the things in here were like dark and definitely very usable. I wish all the boxes were like this, like darker colours and stuff, because then I would get a lot more wear out of them. But yeah, that was our Medusas Makeup October box. So I'll do a quick little overview, even though there was only 4 things, so I'm sure you've not forgotten. But we got the facial toner, the lipstick, the mini mascara, and the Rocket eyeshadow. So these 4 things and these cute little spiders and the sequins and stuff for $16 to the US or $26 to the UK. Like I said, super good deal. I know you can buy these things here in the UK off like Attitude Clothing and stuff, and they are quite expensive. Some of these are maybe like £11–12 each, so it still works out really good if you buy the boxes. So yeah, I will put the info down below for them in case any of you want to go check them out. Obviously they also just sell the makeup, they don't just do subscription boxes, so if you saw anything in here that you liked, like the lipstick or something, you could just go and buy that. But yeah, I hope you liked the video anyway, and if you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys. I'm back. Just a little end note for you guys. I've just been trying to remove this mascara with a baby wipe, so like a wet wipe, and it will not come off. So it's super waterproof, which is amazing. Like you can literally see the red hair on my hand from trying to rub it off. So you would probably have to get an eye makeup remover to take this off, which is crazy. So that's really cool. But yeah, I just thought I would throw that in there at the end. So thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.